Buddy, I'm up in the shop today. It's kind of nasty outside, or getting ready to be nasty outside. It's pretty cold. Really, I can forge in this. I just don't want to. So I've saved some stuff, things that I need to do when I'm not down at the forge, or some items for I've kind of saved for this particular reason. But the reason I was kind of recording today is I had a buddy of mine give me a box of stuff. What I heard was he was kind of tired of moving it around, tripping over it or whatnot, and we're gonna kind of take a look at it and see what he gave us, and see what we could possibly use it for. I kind of got an idea because I'm ahead of you, so I've already looked through. But I figured I'd let you see, and then maybe you could see something that I don't see. But we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together. I'm gonna switch this around, and we'll see what kind of goodies we got. All right, so here it is. This looks like some sort of cutter. It's a pretty good sized piece. Like it bolted to that end and kind of worked this way. Some sort of cutter. I have lots of possibilities. Nice little rivets in the back on that end. So we'll kind of figure that out. I think I got a pretty good idea what I want that to do. And looks like we have a nice little rod here. And yep, got a pretty good idea what I want to do with that. Now here's what everybody needs. Can y'all tell what that is? It's either looks like a catcher's mat, or maybe even a goalie mask of some sort. That was kind of cool. Hey, you never can tell, right? Well, we'll have to work on that one. And this looks like a two-piece from a horse. Something to use with horse or oxen or something. So there's a lot of nice metal in there. See what we got there, and a nice bit, and we'll have some nice tool steel. Can't ever go wrong with having tool steel. Man, it's cold. Can you tell? It's like almost a spade that kind of fits on the back of a tractor for doing trenches. That was it's like a hinge. It was quite the score. Yeah. It's like a hook. Nice metal there. What's we have in here? We have some other farm implements that hook onto the tractor in various shapes and sizes. It's like a link of a chain. Another hinge. You never know when that kind of stuff's going to come into handy. Looks like some kind of clasp. I slide together there. And I thought this was really cool. This is an old-fashioned hand crank grinder. I mean, really, how cool is that? Still has pretty good life to it. Clean that all it up. Man, that's a treasure right there. And then it looks like we have some sort of brake. Automotive is not my thing, so maybe one of y'all can tell me what this is. It looks like it's something that comes off a brake shoe or so. Not the shoe, but the yeah. So anyway, hey, check out a score. I mean, metal's metal. There's a lot of really good quality metal in there. I have an idea what I'm going to do with this right off the bat. So I'm going to clean some of this up today. And when I get done making the project, I'll kind of come back to you, and it'll be kind of part two of this. Once again, thank you for the gift. This is sweet. Look at all this nice metal to work with. All right, y'all have a great day.